flying over Siberia, bitches don't understand my encyclopedia, niggas out here doing some domestic terrorism, while I'm out here doing crystal meth in Siberia, watching Jackie Chan in a van in Iraq to Japan. Bitches underestimate me when they see me saying, why you gotta do that? You see, every bitch gotta know what the niggas gotta know. He has to pull his dick out with his pants on the floor. Me and my niggas went to E3. Bitches see me dressing up as Ness while they see my ding dong. Race is this, sex is that. Bitch, don't you gotta know that I need to sit on Santa's lap ASAP? Shit, I'm spitting more facts than scientists in Asian Iraq. Eradicating these hoes with my chaos magic and some blow. This is the end, and all I gotta send is to send some shoes to all in Pakistan.